So welcome to the course Hands-on PLC, Unlock the Power of TIA Portal for Industrial Automation. In continuation with the timer, the other basic operation in PLC is counter. Okay, so what is a counter? Let us explore. Just like a mechanical counter, the PLC counter instruction keep track of event. As it counts, the counter instruction compares the accumulate count value to determine when the desired value was reached. Okay, so similar to a timer, it is going to have a preset value and the accumulated value. So the counter performs same as the timer instruction. The preset value sets the target number of counter. Okay, so similar to a timer, we are going to only program. The programmer or user has to pre-program what should be the preset value. Similar to timer counter also we have to give a preset value. Okay, so here we are going to have a two type of timer. One is up counter, another one, sorry, counter. One is up counter, another one is a down counter. Okay, so in this we'll have a make the counter up, CU, and Q is a counter output, R is a reset input, CV is a counter value, and PV is a preset value or a set value. Okay, so in addition to up counter and down counter, there is also another counter which is up down counter, which can perform both the operation in a single block. Okay, so here you can see up down counter, which is going to have CD stands for down counter, and CU stands for count up, and here is a reset value, and here is a load input, and here is a preset value or a set value. The count up or down counter, it counts up every time, and the input is activated, and count down every time when the input is activated. CD of input is activated. The counter bit for a designated counter is a logic one if the current value is equal to or greater than the preset value. The counter bit is 0 otherwise. When the load input turns on, the counter resets and loads the current value with the preset value. Let us see what is the application behind the counter. The famous application of PLC counter is a parking gate. Okay, so it is very clear that the counter could use it to keep track of parking lot number of vehicles. A counter counts when the vehicle enters the lot through entrance gate, and it count downs as the vehicle exits the lot through exit gate. When the lot is filled with the sign or entrance gate, the lot is full. Okay, so let us see how we can program this PLC counters using a parking gates. Okay, so here we are going to have a three switch, one switch for incrementing the up counter, another switch for decrementing the countdown, another switch for reset value, and here we are going to have a preset value. And this output CTUD output is connected to one output, which is going to indicate whether the counter is filled or empty. Okay, so here other applications of PLC counter are, it is also used for packaging line control, or it is also used for bottle filling system. So it is going to count the application accordingly. Thank you.